How to use text chat in CS2. So let's say you want to say something to your team or to your teammates. You simply need to click on U on your keyboard. So if you click on U, it will set the chat to team, and you just simply say anything. But if you want to send a message or a chat to all of your teammates and all of your enemies, you could just simply click on Y on your keyboard. So it will set the chat to all, and then you could just simply type in anything that you want and click on enter to send it. So U, the letter U on your keyboard, and letter Y for all chat. You could also see the keybinds here on settings. Go to settings, then go to keyboard and mouse, then go to communication options. And now as you can see, those are the keybinds. So the chat message is U and the use microphone, or I mean the team message is U and the chat message is Y. And there's also something called the radio message right here, where you could use letter Z and send a radio message like affirmative or Roger, something like that. And that's basically it.